In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off message tabs in Yahoo Mail on computer. If you like keeping multiple emails, your calendar, or contacts open at once, tabs can be a huge time saver. If you prefer a cleaner, single-view layout, turning them off keeps things simple. Here's exactly how to switch between the two. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Yahoo Mail. In the results, look for the official Yahoo Mail site and click it. You should land on the sign-in page. Go ahead and sign into your account the way you normally do. If you're asked for verification, complete that process and you'll be taken to your inbox. Once you're in the new Yahoo Mail view, look to the upper right corner of the page and click the Settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This opens the Quick Settings panel on the right side of your screen. The change you need is right in this panel. No need to dig through deep menus. In the Quick Settings panel, locate the Message tabs option. Depending on your version, it may appear under a section like Viewing Email or Personalization, but it should be clearly labeled Message tabs. If you don't see it, make sure you're using the new Yahoo Mail view. The classic version may not show the same options. To turn tabs on, flip the Message tabs toggle to the on position. The change applies immediately. Enabling tabs lets you open multiple emails in separate tabs across the top of your mailbox, and you can also keep your calendar or contacts open alongside messages. This is great for comparing conversations or referencing details without losing your place. If your tabs start to stack up, you can close any tab by clicking the X on that tab to stay organized. To turn tabs off, switch the toggle to the off position. Your view will shift to a recent or single task layout, which keeps your focus on one thing at a time and can make the interface feel less cluttered. This can be especially helpful on smaller screens or if you prefer a streamlined workflow. When you're done, click Back to Inbox. Yahoo Mail saves your choice automatically, so there's nothing else you need to confirm. You can always return to the settings gear and change this preference anytime. Test your choice by opening an email. If tabs are enabled, you'll see a new tab appear at the top. If they're off, you'll stay in a single view. That's it. Quick and easy. Now you can switch message tabs on or off based on how you like to work.